Hi, my name is Gar Smyth. I work at Mimecast. I'm in charge of revenue, marketing, and operations. You have to be able to show an immediate return on investment. There is a trend towards using the tools that you have more effectively versus just buying new tools. Marketers love to buy lots and lots of tools, and then they're all used about 20 to 25%. So we're being asked to do more with what we have, and I tend to agree. I get tools brought to me all the time that we should evaluate this, we should evaluate that, and we're not even using the tools that we've already brought in, right? With UserGems, that tool is the tool that you bring to every company that you ever move to, right? It is a prerequisite for a good, strong demand gen revenue marketing team. All bets are off. I just got a demo of the new platform, and I'm trying to figure out how I can bring it in and use it, and all of the different use cases that I would have for it. I want BDR managers to see this. I want my growth team to see this. Today, with growth marketing organizations, the tools and the data is tremendous. There's a lot of them, and it's hard to figure out how to use those tools and activate that data. What I think the new platform does is it brings everything together in a very intuitive workflow that allows you to build and automate a prospecting machine. That's essentially what it is, right? Here are the best signals to activate. Here are your priority accounts based on intent surging and whatnot. These are the people in those accounts. Here are 5 different ways into that organization, and then here's how you activate that in your outbound tools. It covers the entire prospecting workflow, essentially. One of the customers that you brought here said to me, now I have to reevaluate my tech stack, right? People think of UserGems as a provider of the best data on contacts that will create meetings for you. Now I think about UserGems as a prospecting machine. Like, this is going to automate the end-to-end. It's not just providing, these are the people you should contact. You're saying, these are the people in these accounts that look like they're going to buy soon, and these are the sequences that you should use in order to break into those accounts. I also just saw the back end of the generative AI tool where you have trained best practices on outbound emails. It is tremendously interesting. The prompts that you gave the engine that is creating the content for the emails, it is next level. You can manage the tone, you can manage what you want to see, what a company would want to see, a young BDR doing some outreach, what you would want to see from that person. You can control all of those variables. And you're not going to have any more emails with, hey, you want a Yeti mug, right? Like, that's not going to happen anymore. You're actually providing value in the outbound emails that you're sending. What's the one word I think of when I think of UserGems? I'm going to give you 2. Guaranteed growth, guaranteed pipeline. I've said before that our company, the best leads come from the website. Request a quote, contact sales, request a demo. The next best meeting generator are contacts that UserGems have found for us. And I'm not pretending with the sales team that we're going to do this webinar or this campaign. When I talk about UserGems, they immediately get the value of what it can do. I think that the new UserGems platform is completely different from the value that you already provide. UserGems is creating a platform for the future of growth marketing, essentially. You guys are built on a platform and on a foundation of tremendous user contact data health, and you're taking that and you're automating from the beginning all the way to the end of how a growth marketing person thinks. Starting off with your ICP, understanding your data, taking that data, scoring it, looking at the people in those accounts, looking at the relationships you have with those people in those accounts, using Gen AI to develop messaging to outbound prospect in a very effective way, using best practices that you wished your 100 BDRs, your 150 BDRs would follow, and you know they don't, but you're codifying best practice in the outbound sales engine. That's tremendous.